Jake, why did you call 911 yesterday?
Because you told me it was raining cats and dogs, Emily.
Yes, I said that. But why did you call 911?
Because I was worried about the animals. I looked outside, but I didn't see any cats or dogs falling from the sky. So I called 911 to ask where the animals were.
Oh no, Jake. What did the operator say?
She was very confused. She asked me if I was okay. Then she laughed for a long time.
Jake, raining cats and dogs doesn't mean real animals are falling.
It doesn't?
No, it's an expression. It means it's raining very heavily.
Oh, that makes more sense. I felt so stupid on the phone.
Don't worry, Jake. Today we're going to learn all about weather expressions so this never happens again.
Good, because the 911 operator told me to take an English class.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Emily and Jake English Learning Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jake, the guy who called 911 because of weather.
Today we're talking about weather expressions and vocabulary. This is very important because English has many idioms about weather that can be very confusing.
Very confusing. Trust me, I know.
Weather is also the most popular topic for small talk in English-speaking countries.
Small talk?
Yes, small talk means light, casual conversation. When we meet someone, we often start by saying something about the weather.
Like, hello, nice weather today?
Exactly right, Jake. Before we start our lesson, if you enjoy our podcast, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please subscribe. Maybe you'll learn something before you call 911 like me.
Okay, Jake, let's start with the basics. The most common question about weather is, how's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
Perfect. Everyone listening, repeat after me. How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
Great. Now let's learn simple answers. When the sun is shining and there are no clouds, we say, it's sunny.
It's sunny.
When there are many clouds in the sky, we say, it's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
When water is falling from the sky, we say, it's raining.
It's raining. Not raining cats and dogs.
Well, we can say both, but raining cats and dogs is an idiom. We'll talk about idioms later.
Okay, I'll wait.
When snow is falling, we say, it's snowing.
It's snowing.
Good. Now let's talk about temperature. Temperature means how hot or cold the air is.
Hot or cold? I understand.
When it's very, very cold, we say, it's freezing.
It's freezing.
Can you use it in a sentence, Jake?
It's freezing outside today. I need a big coat.
Perfect sentence. Now, when it's just cold but not extremely cold, we say, it's cold or it's chilly.
It's cold. It's chilly. Are they the same?
Almost the same. Chilly is a little less cold than cold. It's like cold with a gentle feeling.
Oh, I see. It's chilly sounds nicer.
Exactly. Now, when the temperature is comfortable, not too hot and not too cold, we say it's mild or it's pleasant.
It's mild. It's pleasant.
Great. When it's a little hot, we say it's warm.
It's warm.
And when it's extremely hot, we say it's boiling hot or it's scorching.
Boiling? Like water in a pot?
Yes, that's where the expression comes from. British people especially love saying it's boiling.
It's boiling. But Emily, England is never boiling hot.
You're right, Jake. But British people say it anyway when it's just warm.
That's funny.
It is. Now everyone, let's practice together. Repeat after me. It's freezing.
It's freezing.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's mild.
It's mild.
It's warm.
It's warm.
It's boiling.
It's boiling.
Excellent, everyone. Now, Jake, how's the weather today in your city?
Today it's cloudy and chilly. I'm wearing a jacket.
Good answer. You used two weather words correctly.
Thank you. I'm learning.
You are. Now let's talk about wind. When there's a little bit of wind, we say, it's breezy.
It's breezy. Like a nice soft wind.
Exactly. A breeze is a gentle wind. It feels nice.
I like breezy days.
Me too, But when there's a lot of strong wind, we say it's windy.
It's windy.
And when the wind is very strong and dangerous with heavy rain, we say it's stormy.
It's stormy. That sounds scary.
It can be. A storm usually has strong wind, heavy rain, and sometimes thunder and lightning.
Thunder is the loud boom sound, right?
Yes, exactly. And lightning is the bright flash of light in the sky.
I'm always scared of thunder and lightning.
Many people are. It's completely normal. Now let's practice a simple weather conversation. I'll start. Hi, Jake. How's the weather?
Hi, Emily. It's rainy and windy today.
Oh no. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have my umbrella, but the wind is breaking it.
That happens on windy days. Maybe you should wait inside.
Good idea. I'll wait for the storm to pass.
Perfect conversation, Jake. Everyone at home, did you follow that? Let's try another one. Jake, ask me about the weather.
Emily, what's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. Perfect weather for a walk in the park.
That sounds nice. I wish it was sunny here too.
Maybe tomorrow. Weather changes all the time.
That's true.
Great job, Jake. Now let's learn some useful weather expressions. These are phrases that native speakers use every day.
I'm ready. But please, no more cats and dogs.
Don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly. First expression. The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
This is a very simple, positive statement. You can say this when the weather is pleasant.
The weather is nice today. Easy.
Next expression. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
This is another way to ask about the weather. It's very common and natural.
So, I can say, how's the weather? Or, what's the weather like?
Yes, both are correct. Native speakers use both.
Good to know.
Next expression. It looks like rain.
It looks like rain.
We say this when we think it will rain soon. Maybe we see dark clouds.
Oh, so it's a prediction?
Exactly. We're predicting future rain. Everyone repeat after me. It looks like rain.
It looks like rain.
Another useful one, bundle up.
Bundle up?
Bundle up means put on warm clothes. We say this when it's very cold outside.
Bundle up. So it's freezing today, better bundle up?
Perfect example, Jake. You're getting really good at this.
Thank you, Emily.
Now, let's talk about those confusing idioms. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Please explain raining cats and dogs first.
Okay. Raining cats and dogs means it's raining very, very heavily.
So it's just very strong rain?
Yes, exactly. No animals involved.
I understand now. What other weather idioms are there?
Another common one is under the weather.
Under the weather?
This means you feel sick or ill. For example, I'm feeling under the weather today.
But what does weather have to do with being sick?
It's an old expression. Long ago, people believed weather made you sick.
Oh, interesting. So if I have a cold, I can say, I'm under the weather?
Exactly right. Try it.
I can't come to work today. I'm feeling under the weather.
Perfect usage, Jake.
What's another idiom?
Here's one. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining? That's beautiful.
It means something good can come from something bad. Even in difficult times, there's hope.
I really like this expression.
Me too. It's very positive. One more idiom. A storm in a teacup.
A storm in a teacup? How can a storm fit in a teacup?
It can't. This idiom means a small problem that people treat like a big problem.
Oh, like making drama about nothing?
Exactly. Someone makes a big fuss about something unimportant.
Like when my friend got angry because I was 2 minutes late?
Yes, that's a perfect example. That's a storm in a teacup.
I'm going to use this expression all the time now.
Just remember, these are idioms. Don't translate them word by word.
I learned that lesson with cats and dogs.
You did. Now let's talk about weather in different seasons. In spring, the weather is usually mild and rainy. Flowers start to bloom.
Spring is my second favorite season.
In summer, The weather is hot and sunny, perfect for swimming and outdoor activities.
Summer is definitely my favorite.
In autumn, or fall as Americans say, the weather gets cooler and windier. Leaves change color.
Autumn is beautiful but a little sad.
In winter, the weather is cold and sometimes snowy. We need warm coats and heating.
Winter is too cold for me.
Everyone has their favorite season. Now let's practice. Everyone listening, repeat after me. In spring, it's mild and rainy.
In spring, it's mild and rainy.
In summer, it's hot and sunny.
In summer, it's hot and sunny.
In autumn, it's cool and windy.
In autumn, it's cool and windy.
In winter, it's cold and snowy.
In winter, it's cold and snowy.
Excellent work, everyone. Jake, do you know how to talk about weather changes?
Weather changes? You mean when it gets better or worse?
Yes, exactly. When the weather improves, we say, the weather is clearing up.
The weather is clearing up.
This means the clouds are going away and the sun is coming out.
So after rain stops, the weather clears up?
Exactly. And when weather gets worse, we say, the weather is taking a turn for the worse.
That's a long expression.
It is, but native speakers use it often. Try saying it slowly.
The weather is taking a turn for the worse.
Great job. Now you know how to talk about weather changes.
This is very useful, Emily.
I'm glad. Let me teach you one more important thing. In Britain, people talk about weather all the time. It's almost their national hobby.
Really? That much?
Yes, British people love starting conversations with weather. They might say, lovely day, isn't it? Or dreadful weather we're having.
Lovely day, isn't it?
Perfect British accent, Jake.
Thank you. What about Americans?
Americans talk about weather too, but less formally. They might just say nice day or it's really hot.
So British people are more polite about weather?
You could say that. They use weather as a way to be friendly and polite.
That's nice. I like that.
Me too. Now let's do a quick quiz. I'll describe the weather. You give me the word. Ready?
Ready.
The sun is shining brightly. There are no clouds. It's
sunny.
correct. Water is falling heavily from the sky. It's
It's raining.
good. Actually, it's raining very heavily. It's raining.
Cats and dogs.
Exactly. You remembered. The temperature is very low. My hands are freezing. It's
It's freezing outside.
perfect. There's a gentle, pleasant wind. It's
It's breezy.
excellent, Jake. You got every answer right.
I'm so proud of myself.
You should be. You've learned so much today.
Thank you, Emily. I feel much more confident now.
That's wonderful. Let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, please.
We learned basic weather vocabulary like sunny, cloudy, rainy, and snowy. We learned temperature words like freezing, cold, mild, warm, and boiling.
Yes, I remember those.
We learned about wind, breezy, windy, and stormy. We practiced simple weather conversations.
That was helpful.
We learned useful expressions like, how's the weather? What's the weather like? It looks like rain, and bundle up.
Those are very practical.
And most importantly, we learned weather idioms like raining cats and dogs, under the weather, every cloud has a silver lining, and a storm in a teacup.
Now, I won't call 911 again.
I hope not. We also learned about weather in different seasons and how British people love talking about weather.
This was a great lesson, Emily.
I'm so happy you think so, Jake. Thank you, Jake. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Everyday English Class. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite type of weather?
We'd love to read your answers. It's great to know more about our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now and keep practicing.